Coming down to the Zabbix features and the advantages and the case studies that we have, as you have been through Sergey and Murli, it have been pretty good that you have understood why do we use Zabbix and the features of it. So here we talk about more details on the solution that we have. So what are the main features of Zabbix and why should we use Zabbix? Basically, Zabbix is a solid monitoring solution, wherein you can use any operating systems that you use within your organization. Yep. So basically, when we started about the features, we were just discussing about what was the need and how does it help us out in monitoring. Now, when you talk about OS monitoring itself, now you have many parameters that needs to be monitored, and each and every environment is hybrid enough, wherein you have organizations that are using Linux, they are using IBM, they are using FreeBSDs, they are using Mac OS, Solaris, Windows. Now, looking at it, so Zabbix helps us out in monitoring each and every parameters of it. It can be customized to a level wherein you can have KPIs being monitored for each and every platform that you have. So that's the best part of having Zabbix as a solution for monitoring your operating system platforms. Another couple of features that we have is it's an open source, as how Sergey said. It's being an open source, there's no vendor lock-in, and there are no customers or you don't have a commercial or a non-commercial package that is given to any enterprises. It's basically one single platform, one single open source given to anyone who download it. So there is nothing, when we talk about commercial utilization, there's nothing of that sort. So it's phenomenal. You get a lot of support when you log into Zabbix with a lot of community members in it. So you can keep discussing about your issues, you get solutions. Other than that, you have certified partners like ASPL Info who get in and help you out and giving out solutions. Another beauty of this product is about the scalability. You can have 50,000 checks per seconds being done on this particular environment. Now, if you look at the way the monitoring happens, you have silos of systems running in, and monitoring that to getting into a single dashboard becomes a criticality. Now, this being a solution which is very scalable, you just need to keep adding your host onto it, and the parameters and everything gets going on. That's the beauty of this. Now, looking at the number of environments that keep coming into the organizations, be it an on-premise data center, be it onto the cloud, getting into a private cloud, that's not a challenge for Zabbix at all, because that's how the tool is made up for, and that's how it's reliable for a commercial support. Now, having this tool is very good. How about having notifications? Now, do we think that having a freeware tool doesn't give me notifications? No, that's not the case with Zabbix. Now, what happens is Zabbix has quite a good integrations on notifications front, wherein you can have it integrated with your email, you can have it integrated with your WhatsApp, with MS Teams, with Slack. So you're on it. You don't need to keep sitting in front of the dashboards to just view the alerts. So though it being a free and open source software, the alerting is much better, and it gives you the same facility as what any paid softwares give you. So that's the best part of it. So getting into compliance, getting into incident reporting, the notifications keep helping us. That's because of the powerful module that it has got, wherein integrations is seamless with it. How about information gathering? It's much easier as compared to other tools, because Zabbix, as we said before, it's very scalable in any environments. So you can use SNMP traps, you can use SSH, Telnet, and web checks that can be used to gather informations. So it's just a matter of having a Zabbix server within your environment, and you start plugging in your devices so that it starts capturing the informations, and you're on. So you just start monitoring your infrastructure without any hiccups. Now, do we have a visual dashboard? So normally what happens is whenever we talk about a freeware tool that is in market, we say, no, it's a command line dashboard. It doesn't give you a visualization. So why should we use a freeware tool? Now, Zabbix is something totally different out of it. Now, Zabbix has got a beautiful dashboard. Now, the dashboards can be segregated or divided, or it can be put up into such a way that you can have multiple maps being created for the entire organization landscape. So if you have If you plan to have an entire IT landscape put up into your Zabbix dashboard, you can have multiple locations being put up in a single dashboard. You can have graphs being put up. You can have multiple screens, which can be, you can move your multiple screens from the main dashboard itself. So you can have dashboard views. You can segregate your services with applications, middleware, network. You can categorize your business services as well, so that it becomes much more easier for identifying any incidents or a downtime that is being happening in your infrastructure. Another beauty of this product is you can monitor the Zabbix services itself on the main dashboard. Now, that is something which people keep asking us, okay, what happens now? We are able to monitor the complete host within your organization, but how about monitoring the Zabbix server? Now, the Zabbix server gets monitored on its own. So you have a dashboard wherein you see the monitoring services of Zabbix also being presented over there. So you don't need to worry about the Zabbix server. It takes care of the Zabbix server as well as the host and the other applications that is being run within your infrastructure. Now, Sargi and Murli being discussing about the Zabbix features. Now, what is new and how does it help us out, and where do we go out of it? Now, when it comes to the developments that you have in Zabbix, you get a lot of reporting and visualization dashboards in it, which helps us, the IT admins or the IT heads, to view the dashboards, which is very much easier other than getting into the reporting formats. You get a lot of unification screens and dashboards. Now, with the help of unification screens and dashboards, you can drill down to a level wherein you understand where the issue is, what is the root cause of it, and where does the issue lie in. You get a lot of multiple dashboards as well. Now, this is something which is very much important for IT admins or the Zabbix admins who monitors your infrastructure, because having multiple dashboards with a template, it eases out your work in adding hosts to it. You also get multiple pages for dashboards. So it's unlike in many tools, what happens is you only get a single dashboard wherein you have to fit all the applications or all the screens onto it so that you can monitor it. But in Zabbix, you can have multi-page dashboards being created depending on the users that needs to look into the dashboards. Say, for example, if you have a database team who just needs to view the database applications and the dependencies, you can do that as well with it. For a network team, you can only have the network devices and the parameters shown to them, which makes it easier for controls, and it makes it easier for the silo teams to monitor it. Another important aspect coming down to reports. Do we get reports in Zabbix? Obviously, yes. Now, that's a compliance point, right? Now, you get scheduled reports coming out of Zabbix as well. You get custom reports as well, which needs to be worked on. But then, yeah, the basic compliance reporting do come out from Zabbix. And you can schedule it. You don't need to sit and categorize it, or you don't need to have specific date and time being mentioned. You have your templates being created and the report pops in onto your mailbox itself. Can we monitor applications on now? Yes, now you have API tokens with Zabbix. So it's just a matter of plugging in the applications and having it monitored with your Zabbix server. Now, that's the beauty of this product. Being an open source and having API integrations, you can have any applications that gets monitored. Now, when you go to the Zabbix website, you'll find a list of databases and the applications that have got predefined APIs built up with it. So it's just a matter of having those APIs and having it integrated with your Zabbix so that your monitoring starts off and the KPIs are being taken care of. The beauty of this product is about the powerful maps that it gives you. It gives you a parent drill dependency map wherein you can easily drill down to a level wherein you can identify if there is an issue with an application. Now, normally what happens is whenever you look at organizations, people talk about my application is slow. Now, when the application is slow, we never know where the problem is. And with many tools, what happens is you have to keep getting into each and every layer of your infrastructure to identify where the root cause is for that particular incident. Now, the beauty with Zabbix is with the primary dashboard itself, you can drill down to the child level wherein you can identify where the issue is. So you save time and you don't need to run around moving or changing multiple screens to identify the issue or to identify the root cause of the problem that you have. So these are some things that is being put up in the new version of Zabbix, and that's really helpful for the admins at this point of time, because the work and the time taken for identifying issues are being come down drastically because of this. Now, how different is Zabbix? Now, there are many tools in the market right now. How is Zabbix different from any other product? Now, the beauty is the Zabbix is a free software. Now, as how Sergey said, it is free. So you download it from the website, you install it, and you start working on it. There are many plugin architectures available which allows to monitor any devices. So if you have a server and you say that I'm not able to monitor, but if you have MIB files for it, it can easily be done. So that's the easiest way to get things done now. It can monitor, or it can get into metric level monitoring, wherein you can have your services as well as the threshold of memories also being monitored. So it drills down to the level wherein you can identify where the problem is, other than having a high level view of just the application going down. So the plugin architecture helps you out in understanding the root cause within the infrastructure, having all your infrastructure devices being monitored in a single platform. The next point is something which is very interesting, and which is very key at this point of time, because there are no license costs to the devices. Now, I believe this is something which is very people are very happy to hear this. And when you talk about the IT guys, it becomes much more easier for them to have this tool within their environment. Now, normally what happens is whenever you have a OEM or a branded software that is being used with licenses, the business keeps adding on requests for multiple applications and databases. And as an IT support team, we keep providing them with the servers and the hardware. Now, when it comes to monitoring, that's the challenge that we have. Is the reason being you have to buy licenses for monitoring this. Now, that's where the entire game starts up. So you get in touch with the OEM, they give you a pricing, then you have budget issues, but your critical servers don't get monitored. But with Zabbix, the beauty is you can connect n number of devices that can be monitored, because you don't pay for anything. So any number of devices that gets added to your Zabbix server, you can keep monitoring it. So let the business ask you for having n number of storages or n number of servers to be spinned up for their applications. The IT team doesn't have to worry about monitoring it, because Zabbix takes care of it. So you don't pay anything for the host monitoring. You keep adding your devices and the tool takes care of it. It's easy to scale, as how in the initial discussion Sergey was talking about. It's easy to scale means even if today if you have 1,000 devices that are being monitored within your Zabbix server, and you scale up your operations in the next 3 months, wherein you have some 100,000 devices that needs to be monitored, Zabbix takes care of it. So you don't need to worry about it. You just need to keep adding the host to your Zabbix server, and the server takes it up. It's very robust, and that's what we have seen at all the organizations where Zabbix is running. We never faced an issue in terms of the performance that we have, even if you keep adding n number of devices to the Zabbix server. And it's easy to use because it is GUI based. So it's just a matter of sitting in front of the system, having the dashboard, and you have some knowledge about the tool system. You can easily maneuver it. Security and authentication, something which is very critical right now. Does a free software give you security and authentication features? Yes, we do. So Zabbix gives you a lot of features in terms of security. Basically, when it comes to authentication, it takes care of HTTPS authentication. It takes care of LDAP authentication. It also takes care of internal database authentication. Now, why all these, or does all these are being required for it now? Yes, it is. Now, what happens is, say, for example, if you don't have an internal database authentication and your LDAP server fails, now the Zabbix server doesn't stop you from monitoring, because you can log in onto the internal database account and you can start monitoring. So you have a zero downtime on your monitoring services. So it doesn't stop you from monitoring your infrastructure. So even if the LDAP services go down, you have access to the server and you keep monitoring your services. Integrations with applications and ITSM tool. Yes, now Zabbix is just an ITOM, right? Now you would need to have to be integrated with your ITSM platforms. Yes, you have a couple of applications that have already got integrated with it, and on the pipeline we have a couple of more that would come in the near future. But then if there's an ITSM tool that needs to be integrated, Zabbix is always available. So you can always have a plugin, a REST API, and the plugin can happen to it. Now we talk about some use cases as an organization that we have done across to a couple of customers. Uh, it was a good learning experience for us, as well as the customer understands why they need Zabbix. Now, I'll just talk about one of the global financial organization that we were looking at. Now, this particular customer was using a couple of tools, legacy monitoring tools for monitoring the infrastructure. Now, this particular customer had around 2,000 clients with them, which was over in the world with around 130 countries that they were running on. Now, they didn't have automations. They didn't have multiple business parameters that were getting monitored. Now, the criticality of the system was they wanted a visibility on each and every parameters on the business services to get monitored. Now, having multiple tools running, they were not comfortable enough in having the services and the alerting coming down to the IT team. Now, that's how the customer got in touch with ASPL Info team, and a team of experts got on site. They understood the requirement, and we gave them a solution with Zabbix. Now, how did it help them out? Now, the best thing was with the legacy tool, they couldn't do a threat recognition or a problem detection. They couldn't get a real-time notification. But with Zabbix, we could give them a real-time notification. We could help them out and giving out resolution times got reduced. The IT team's work got reduced. We could give them a real-time dashboards of what was happening in the infrastructure. We could give them a complete reporting on what was happening and the availability on what was the performance matrix for the entire infrastructure in a single dashboard. That is something which helped the customer move from the legacy systems coming into our Zabbix portfolio. Now, this ecosystem of having the entire dashboards and the visibility for the infrastructure was much more better. The reason being a global financial services company, the uptime was much more critical for them. And having incidents being sent across to right team at the right time was another criteria, which Zabbix could fulfill. And with our expert team on site, working with the customer, we could create the complete technology stack for them, putting up with the client's ecosystem and giving them the real-time alerts and the reports that was expected during the initial stage itself. So this is something which was a big thing for us in terms of customer and the satisfaction point that we got from them. Now we talk about another sector, which is the telecom sector. Now, this particular customer came to us with a weird problem. Now, this customer basically was handling the complete core network and the security and the risk management for telecom providers on the analytics front. Now, the best part of this customer was they were using 4 to 5 tools for monitoring the entire infrastructure. Now, all the parameters and all the devices were monitored depending on the best tool that they had, and they could monitor it with specified KPIs on that specific tools. But then they never got a specific task with them, which would have a single dashboard or a reporting coming out that would give them the complete vision or the view of the infrastructure. Now, when this customer came to us, they wanted a single dashboard that could manage the entire group IT, managing the entire remote locations as well. So the team, the Zabbix team with ASPL Info got into this particular activity, and they started benchmarking what was the requirement from the customer. So we had a couple of SIM tools and a couple of monitoring tools that were need to be, migrated onto Zabbix. So taking up this case study from individual tools and the individual KPIs for the entire infrastructure, we migrated the entire stuff of monitoring of each and every parameters from the legacy tools or the best OEM available tools that they were using and move it on to Zabbix. Now, the client got satisfied with everything in terms of the reporting, in terms of dashboards, in terms of the monitoring features. And the best part was they got happy because there's a lot of money saved, because initially they were spending a lot of money on licenses with multiple other softwares that they were using for monitoring. So this is something which is another case study that we always keep talking to our customers and giving it as an example to them. So I hope this gave you some informations and some reviews about how Zabbix is being utilized in many organizations and how it helps you, basically the IT team, to perform the core task of bringing up the system uptime and giving the users 100% availability to work around. Thank you.